Okay, fantastic. Who wants to jump on? Marcel, can I see your face? Are you using, you need to use a laptop because I think we're going to be doing some setting up for you. So you need to use a laptop. Okay, who is next? Who is next?
I can go. I don't have
Okay.
much, Sida, just an update. So once I have understood, I mean, the different messages are quite confusing, but once I've understood the process, I have now sent my information to get the website. I don't have it yet.
Okay.
I have asked to join the group, but
Okay.
but I made a mistake because I'm so used to call you Placida that I said Placida. So of course they didn't find you. So I told you that you're Sida. So I'm waiting for that. I have started update. So I've had a few hiccups with Systeme.io because somehow there are fields that are not retaining information, but I've been in touch with the help desk, so they are sorting that out. Do you see my screen?
Yes, I see your screen. So click on campaigns. I want to see how many campaigns you. It's not changed yet. Okay, one. Okay, click on funnels where it says funnels. One as well. So why is it saying that you need to upgrade? It shouldn't tell you to upgrade.
Yeah, it keeps there is so this is to receive payments. So that's the problem I'm having on my profile, that they're sorting for me.
Okay.
Because there are two fields that keep disappearing. So for instance, the country information keeps disappearing. I've entered it 5 times already.
Okay.
It doesn't save it. So they're sorting that. I did receive at some point a message, I don't remember where I saw it, saying that I had reached the maximum of my current membership, and I have nothing.
Yeah. So it only does that when you have downloaded your funnel twice or you've downloaded your campaign twice, but you only have one of each. So that's why it shouldn't tell you to upgrade or that you've reached the maximum.
I am going to upgrade anyway, but still,
Okay.
I haven't reached the limit anyway.
Yeah, I upgraded because it's a good service.
I'm going to use it for my other business anyway, so I'm going to upgrade. So that's not a problem. So here I have started updating the no, where am I? Where do I find the emails?
Okay, you've done a good job. You've done that all by yourself. So is that the name? Is that the name you did you just buy this domain name? Is that a new domain name?
I did, yes, because for another affiliate marketing thing, I'm already having freedom in midlife, but as one word. And so I wanted it to be coherent. It's still about freedom in midlife.
Yeah, but I wouldn't have advised you to have the dash dash. There's another way you could have gone about it instead of having.
I've tried multiple things, and everything was taken.
Okay.
I've tried a lot.
Okay. But anyway, people are going to be coming to you directly anyway, so it'll be easier. It's not like they're going to go into Google and search it. So with time, it will build up. So, okay.
Yeah, I mean, I have taken myself freedom in midlife in one word, but then every variation that I have been looking into, like reinventing midlife and whatever, it's already existing. So I've not been able to use it. I've tried a lot.
Okay. Okay. So
I'm currently updating the emails. I'm a bit stuck because I don't have the website yet. So
yes, that's my next question. Have you received your website?
No, I haven't received the website yet. So I'm waiting for that, and then I will go back and be able.
So your next step here will be your while you're waiting for the website to come is to create your tag. Have you created your tag?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Okay, let's do that now. Let's do that on the screen.
Okay, where do I go?
So you go to contacts, tags, and you want to click on create. Let me move my filter. Just call it anything. You can call it 6 figures or midlife women, because that's what is going to identify the clients that are coming in through this particular funnel.
Okay.
Yeah, because in the future, you're going to have multiple funnels, but this would identify anyone coming in through this particular funnel.
So 6-figure growth?
Yeah, you can call it that, save. And then we go to where you have your automation, where it says automation, rules. Click on rules and create. And you want to go to trigger, click on the plus button on trigger. Okay. And you're going to click on funnel step from subscribe. Yeah. Then choose your funnel step. Yeah. Choose again. Your funnel page. Okay. Then click on the plus sign where it says action. And then you want to say subscribe to campaign. And then you're going to choose your campaign. Okay. Click your plus sign again. And then go to add tag. And then you choose your tag. And then you save the rule. Okay. So this is now okay. If you put your name in your funnel page, your email now, you want to test it, and then you will see the tag. Give it a few minutes, but go back to your funnel page, which will be freedom in your domain name, which will be freedom.
Freedom in midlife, but
freedom in midlife, yeah.
Where do I find that?
So you have to click on your plus button on your browser, and then just type it up your Google search browser.
Here you mean?
Yes. No, Google search. Don't come off Systeme. Go to your plus and open another page on Google.
Yeah. I was okay. Sorry. Yeah, I misunderstood you. Yeah, here.
Yeah. So and type it in.
What did I say? Freedom in midlife.com.
Yeah. Reload. Has it been connected? I think it's been connected. Put the www. That's what
I was going to do, because I have it is active. I've checked it. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So now enter your email.
Oh, by the way, while we're here, in one of the videos, it was saying that she had a video on how to change this image. I would like to change this image. And
okay, it's not difficult. I can show you how to do it now.
Okay, so fine. Okay, this is me. Yes, send me the blueprints. Thanks.
Okay, so now you want to go to your email and see if you've received the information.
To my email,
the email you just entered now.
My email. Okay, yes. Sorry. Yeah. Here.
Let's check me and check your contacts. If the contact has a tag, then we've done it. Okay.
Yeah. So that has worked.
Okay.
So
yes, that's okay. That's fine. So if anybody enters their email now, they will start receiving your automation.